At the end of the topic, you will be able to understand the reasons for extreme diversity in India, explain how India remains united despite its diversities. India is a large country. It is extremely diversified in many aspects like in geography, linguistics, race, and culture. India has high mountains, low coastal plains, fertile plains, deserts, evergreen forests, and dry scrub vegetation, a variety of flora and fauna, and different cultures. It maintains unity even though there is so much diversity. This unity is because of its long history and rich heritage. India is the second largest populated country in the world. In India, there are a large number of ethnic groups, castes, religions, language, and dialects. This has made India both a museum and a laboratory for the study of man. Therefore, India is called the Museum of Human Race. India is a birthplace of many religions. Vedas is the ancient religion of our country. St. Thomas, the apostle of Christ, brought Christianity to India in the 1st century AD. The Persians brought Zoroastrianism to India. The Muslims who conquered India brought Islam into India. Sikhism was born in India. In spite of its diversities, there exists spiritual tolerance. In India, 845 languages are spoken. Some of them are Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, and Bengali. Foreign languages and dialects are also spoken. 22 languages are recognized by the government as official languages. The national language of India is Hindi, as in Devanagari script. English is used as a concurrent language. Language is used as a means of communication, but nowadays it is used as a dividing weapon rather than for unity. Only when people realize all languages are good as their own, there will be development, growth, and common brotherhood. Devanagari script is a part of the Brahmic family of scriptures. It is written from left to right. It is a standardized script for Hindi language. Devanagari is a compound word with two roots. Deva and Nagari, it means deity and city. The growth of Indian languages led to the growth of Indian literature. Languages like Sanskrit led to the growth of thoughts and philosophy. The two great epics of India are Ramayana and Mahabharata. The greatest literary work in Tamil is Tirukkural by Thiruvalluvar. The holy book of the Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. The life of Prophet Muhammad is written by Umara Pulavar in Sira Puranam. Christianity is portrayed in Tembavani by Veera Mamunivar. The Hindus celebrate Deepavali, Navaratri, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Pongal, Chitrai Tiruvila, Adi Velli, and Vaikunta Ekadasi, Sri Rama Navami, and Kumbh Mela. The Christians celebrate Christmas and New Year. The Muslims celebrate Miladi Nabi and Ramzan. The Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima. The Jains celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. The Sikhs celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti. The Indians practice religious tolerance. They all believe godhood can be attained by devotion and tolerance. In this topic, you have learnt, in spite of the geographical, linguistic, racial, and religious diversities in India, there is unity in this diversity. Though there are different religions, we find the existence of spiritual tolerance in India. This unity and tolerance has led to growth, development, and common brotherhood in India. Different languages led to the growth of great thoughts and philosophy. Different festivals are celebrated in India by different religious groups. At the end of the topic, you will be able to describe Indian heritages which help them to live in unity, analyze Indian architectural beauty, trace the pilgrimage centers of North and South India, highlight the music loved by Indians, evaluate the qualities possessed by Indians which make them live in unity in spite of diversities. India is known for her customs, habits, and heritage. Indian heritage promotes hospitality, charity, friendship, love, unselfishness, dharma, proper conduct, humility, truth, peace, mercy, spiritual feelings, respect for parents and elders, and tolerance. These qualities help them to live in unity and also to respect each other. India is known for her architectural beauty from the early ages. Today, there are substantial changes in architecture to suit the modern age. Some renowned works of art and architecture are paintings at the Ajanta and Ellora caves, Gandhara art and sculpture, temple architecture. The North Indians visit pilgrim centers in South India and South Indians visit pilgrim centers in North India. This brings unity among Indians. Some of the famous pilgrim centers in North India are Kasi, Mathura, Haridwar and Rishikesh. India is the birthplace of Carnatic and Hindustani style of music. Many Indians love learning music. The most famous Indian dances are Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Manipur and Odissi. Indians also love folk dances. Varied Indian music and dance brings about unity and integration. A person's habits, religious faith, language, food and dresses depend on the physical environment. Even though there are differences, they are united by their heritage. Indians inherited unity because of their humanism, spiritual urge, brotherhood, friendship, love and religious tolerance. All Indians are brothers and sisters and sons and daughters of Bharat Desh. The national flag, national symbols and national anthem induces national integration. They believe in the concept of united we stand, divided we fall. From the Indus culture, this unity as a cultural heritage has developed. In this topic, you have learnt the various traditions possessed by Indians makes them live united. Indian art and architecture is world famous, like the paintings at the Ajanta caves, the Gandhara sculptures and temple architecture. Pilgrimages undertaken by Indians ensure national integration. Varied Indian music and dance brings about unity and integration. From the Indus culture through the ages, this unity has developed.